Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand urges public not to obstruct national highway development works in the name of compensation. Deputy Chief Minister Losidiko indicates a strong likelihood of cabinet expansion and allocation of portfolios to cabinet ministers soon. Rajya Sabha MP Laisema Sanajauba nominated as member of India Nordics Parliamentary Friendship Group constituted by Parliament of India to strengthen legislative engagement and international cooperation. And Iran Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Chief of Army Staff General Abdul Rahim Mousavi and Defense Minister General Aziz Nasir Zadeh killed in US-Israel strikes. Over 200 people killed, around 700 others injured. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Primetime English Bulletin. I'm BABINA HAJARIMAYUM bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. The 18.50 kilometer stretch from Lamlai Bazaar to Thoubal Dam along National Highway 202 will be repaired with funding from Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, DONA. The road serves as a vital link between Lamlai Kendra and Andro constituencies. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister urged the public not to obstruct National Highway development works in the name of compensation and appealed to MLAs to create awareness among the people. He also inaugurated the Itham Moirangpurel Bridge over the Thoubal River connecting Moirangpurel and Itham, constructed under the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Additionally, a model residential school at Moirangpurel built under PMJVK and a newly constructed Science and Arts block of Moirangpurel Higher Secondary School under Samagra Siksha Manipur were inaugurated. During the event, the Chief Minister questioned the Education Department over the decline of Moirangpurel Higher Secondary School and stated that the director had a short sanction of lecturer post by May this year. He further said that he would instruct the relevant Deputy Commissioner regarding the issue of internally displaced persons at Laikong Relief Camp who reportedly have not received monetary aid for purchasing mattresses. The Chief Minister also assured that extortion-related issues in Imphal East would be reviewed. Andro MLA T.H. Siam Kumar, Lamlai MLA K.H. Ibomcha and Phungyar Laishio Kaising were present at the program.
Ukhul district ki lambi ma hai tare section tenopal height ba lambi sida Google mapping tawraga lane compensation half kraba adubu kona lambi semba horom dai da yum macha macha sajalaga compensation amu talak pai wari ni adumai tawdana samna akoi gi honorable member ukhul gi saita adumai tawbudu saisu nahan ju mating pang bini hai madu mating pang jinbira kanda koi khara sengna madu the Union Transport Minister to so Adugumadu Damasu Soap Satana, Manipur the Pyrunuka Hibumba Wakal Nuaita Port Male, Aduna Department, Amadi Sargas and Yamna Atu Madam the High Sing to clear Torokanda, Koye, Matam National Highway, Loktona Koi Honazagate, Matamzage.
Deputy Chief Minister Losidiko has indicated a strong likelihood of cabinet expansion and allocation of portfolios to cabinet ministers in the near future. Speaking to media persons at his Lumphale quarters, Diko stated that delays in the process were largely due to prolonged hurdles in government formation and the recent demise of Thanlon AC MLA Vungjagin Valte. He informed that he, along with Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Singh and Deputy CM Nemcha Kipgen, recently visited New Delhi, where they met Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other central leaders to discuss the matter. Diko said the discussions were positive and that the central leadership, including the Prime Minister, has assured strong focus on the progress and development of Manipur. He also expressed confidence that Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, currently in Delhi, is giving due importance to the issue. Appealing to the public to remain patient, the co assured that there is a strong possibility of cabinet expansion either before or after the upcoming State Assembly session, which is likely to be held in the second week of March. Rajya Sabha MP Semba Sana Jauba has been nominated as a member of the India-Nordics Parliamentary Friendship Group constituted by the Parliament of India to strengthen legislative engagement and international cooperation. The India-Nordics Parliamentary Friendship Group aims to enhance bilateral relations with Nordic countries including Sweden, Norway, Finland, Denmark and Iceland. These groups are formed to promote people-to-people ties, diplomatic goodwill and collaboration across political, cultural and economic sectors. Parliamentary friendship groups typically comprise members of parliament from both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha who represent India's interest while fostering stronger bilateral engagements. The nomination is seen as significant as it places a member of parliament from the Northeast state in an international legislative engagement forum, potentially increasing visibility for regional issues on the global stage. Olympian Padma Shri Namairakpam Kunjarani retires from Central Armed Police Force CRPF service. Padma Shri Namairakpam Kunjarani had been serving as commandant of CRPF Group Center Langjing. Her retirement came yesterday and she was dropped off to her residence today by CRPF Group Center DIG Anil Vertwaj, IG M. Somorani, Deputy Commandant, Assistant Commandants, Sipoy Jawan along with band party. MLA of Thongju AC Thongam Biswajit has called for collective efforts to ensure progress and development in the state. He made the appeal while inaugurating the newly constructed Maira Sports Complex and Maira Office Building at Basikong in Imphal East District today. Speaking on the occasion, Biswajit expressed confidence that the sports complex would help nurture talented youth and produce international level players. He also stated that the facility would contribute to social and economic development in the area. Urging residents to extend their support, he called for united efforts to build a better Thongju constituency through sports and community initiatives.
Afamstagi akhoi hockey lamda international gi thakta akhoi player ka puthokpa ngamgre angangsing haurakliba posing sina akhoi ngasi ni sagi pakta tauriba punamak singje akhoi ngasi kuma film semba matamda hena masamu phauningbagi wakhalon adu hena akhoi iramda masida hanadagi culturally oina laiba potse culture tobu ngamagani haibajai gi achet pathajabani mafam khudimakta matam amada irang mayam leirambadu hujik laikidre aduna tapna akhoi da nakal animta yamna free flow oidabasi prajana akhoi da nuaitaba dum fil tawe tawudu masi matam kharadum sangani masida aduna thingi adana thingi haibagi wakhum leijade akhoi maramdi masi akhoi ne hena khangbirduna akhoi cio so kya na so akhoi imphal da kana mo lakho da thingba leite na haigram ne tabudabu thokiba thodok maram waraga akhoi gi ani gi marakta apprehension leina ba haibadi akhoi kari tholokpa yage kari tawge haibadi personal level na leibani na madu hekta yamna free flow leitabagi ni aduna khoi gedi miyamna pamba ingdhana ba duga chawkhatpa manipur ma semba duga afaba manipur ma oiba haibatu sarkar khudimaki
Citizen for the Protection and Preservation of Koirengai Airfield (CPPKAF) has announced that it will approach the relevant authorities in the coming days to initiate steps for the preservation of the historic Koirengai Airfield. Speaking to reporters at the Manipur Press Club, CPPKAF convener Nahakpam Shanta stated that the process of initiating legal action is already underway. He further informed that the committee will appeal to the concerned authorities to halt all ongoing construction activities at the site. Addressing the press meet, co-convener S. Tondang highlighted the historical significance of the Koirengai Airfield and termed the construction of military structures at the site as unfortunate. He urged that all construction activities carried out without the consent of the local community be stopped immediately.
Legal kari yang bay age do legal expert akoi usiki committee du manungda hamgadori ba leibi akoi legal expert sing duna tanara kanda makata bakar momongda government ga tanara ga even art and culture department then atai leiba akoi gi museum gi leibasing then other historical gi matang na leibasing lagi tawraga khoi paperwork mayam thalaga even ton ba political parties in dasu masi push tawna ba khoi thorang tawba hore
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯂꯤꯖꯦꯟꯁ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯔꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯥꯖꯅꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯇꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ರೆ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10 12 ꯊꯥꯔꯕꯗ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯅꯤ나 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯔꯦꯂꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ peace relay ama sigi kannaba sigi
Local residents of Namthanpung, Sanjentong Laikai in Imphal East District have urged relevant authorities and the area MLA to immediately repair the Imphal River retaining wall located in the locality. Speaking to the media, Namthanpung Village Authority Secretary Kumar Kom expressed concern over the deplorable condition of the retaining wall, which was reportedly completed only 5 to 6 months ago. He alleged that portions along the river bank have already collapsed, posing a serious threat to nearby houses. Kumar Kom further stated that despite assurances from the authorities to undertake repair work, no action has been taken so far. He recalled that the locality was severely affected by floods last year and stressed the urgent need to repair the retaining wall before the onset of the monsoon to prevent possible flooding in Namthanpung and adjoining Porompat areas. Retired CRPF officer Yengkom Sanjeev announces his candidature from Thangwaiban Assembly constituency for Manipur Legislative Assembly elections scheduled in 2027. Sanjeev made the announcement during a one-day political conference organized by development organization Thangwaiban at his residence in Thangwaiban Polem Laikai today. Renowned personalities, elders and women from different wards of the constituency attended the program. Speaking at the gathering, Sanjeev said he is entering electoral politics to work for the welfare of the people and bring meaningful development to the constituency. Alleging that Thangwaiban AC has remained asleep for the past 15 years, he urged voters to exercise their franchise wisely in the upcoming elections. He highlighted concerns over unemployment among educated youths and rising issue of drug abuse in the state. He alleged that elected representatives have failed to fulfill promises and implement effective youth-oriented policies. Stressing the need for income generation opportunities, he criticized leaders for offering financial assistance only after tragic incidents rather than creating sustainable livelihoods. Sanjeev also called upon parents to reflect on the growing loss of young lives and urged citizens to assess the performance of sitting MLA and implementation of the Right to Education Act and other development works in the constituency. He maintained that people's representatives are policy makers and must be accountable. Stating that he took voluntary retirement from service to serve the people through politics, Sanjeev reaffirmed his commitment to the progress and overall development of Thangwaiban constituency.
Mute to Yenbi, I can mute in a tag of mute to now. Mating like a mute at the thing. I get a back, I ram them a DJ, Pungsai said Pungai Kaiman. Karam Kanda Lebaxi Mutkani, Karam Kanda Lebaxi Kang Chini, Karam Kanda Lebaxi Louis have said, she did minimum Numit Lepang Hibangamo Kanamtan. That's a Lebak to losing in a Toliba mute to now. Matung Shadraba, Moral Yautraba, Lumchak Kamova, Masaki responsibility, Masaki duty, Masakana Tragedy, Lebak to Sumcho, you should have a Mutlani. Adong Kampiroga. Ako'y itungi fisher kitang ako'y itungi lamdamama kitang mga level lamdamama kitang ako'y punam tang lemin na resi na ijabaneba. Matugi na magtangasi ay service tado mga si lebak si siyamto kinalai.
People's Political Party (PPP) is making preparations to fill candidates in different assembly constituencies in the upcoming Manipur Legislative Assembly 2027. Party President retired Colonel H. Sarat made the remark on the sidelines of a meeting held today under the banner Letmin Narashi Iramdam Ifurup Kanjanaba at Wangkai Kaitel Asangbi. He informed that People's Political Party (PPP) was formed on May 5, 2024 and formally incepted on February 2, 2025 at a program held at Manipur Press Club. He continued that the party constitution has been approved by ECI and today's program was carried out in connection to the party receiving approval to hold campaign.
Campaign si hoba yare haidam akoi ngasi pangthok sabani aduga aigi political party akoi likhaleba sigi unique oiba feature haibadi masida akoi plays and wasak ama yauri ba wasak masidi ihalam wasak sina akoi Manipur ki territory integrity kahandaba masi action mase ko ihalam ba wasak ni ani subudana common people parja mayam sin nuahin masina akoi ahan second oi wasak ne aduga ichai chai gi oiba musing masingi interest option last lakani asi world ki constitution amada yaud boni aduna moi ECI ki election commission of India ki moi nefi amendment tori.
Kabui Union Manipur extends support on the War on Drugs campaign being carried out by Manipur police and civil society organizations. A press statement issued by KUM calls for collective action from all sections of society to fight against the onslaught of drugs, which has claimed countless lives and threatening many more, especially the younger generation. Apunba Khori Rolgi Malem Gilup observed its 4th Foundation Day today. 3 prominent writers were honored at the event held at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yai School. Writers Nauroibam Indramani, Dr. Yumnam Indrajit and Pangbam Nandakumar were conferred the Manipur Historian title, Maihorol Literature Award and Wahaigi Nachom Mingtol respectively. UNLF former chairman R.K. Sanayaima and dignitaries of the event handed over the awards to the writers. Moreover, speakers of the program highlighted the works and achievements of the writers. At the occasion, a book titled Iripaksigi, authored by Waikom Amucho Meitei, was released to the public. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you news on death of Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Army Chief and Defense Minister, and US-Israel strikes. So keep watching Impact News.
Marks time classes admission open for class 6 to 12. CBSE Khattagi coaching center asigi first foundation course lakliba April ki tang anidagi suksoi shoidana hojiragani masigi damakta form pisin bagi aroiba matam March ki tang kungama thoida oigani class 9 ki 12 ki oina batch amada akaknaba sit oiduna ashonba mahiroi singishu extra classes laujagani boys and girls ki separate hostels thamjiri. For more details please visit us at our office at Wangkai Maihobam Lampak or contact us at the given number.
Admission open. Capsule Medical Course for NEET UG 2026. Crash Engineering Course for GMains 2026. Class 11 Foundation Council CBSE. Come NEET UG and GMains. Come and complete your dream.
Miron mangamdaba hanna abortion chatpa chahi thengni yom panba tube phunba nupa gi asonda leibana angang oiba ngamdaba singidamak maipakpi fertility center with IVF na khudongchaba kaya pizari haukiba chahi anida IVF success rate 60% leikhi appointment ki damak call tawbirau.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English Bulletin. Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei was killed in his office during US-Israeli airstrikes. US President Donald Trump indicated the military operation is aimed at overturning Tehran's government. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Iran's supreme leader since 1989, was killed in the US strikes. Iranian state television confirmed Khamenei's death early Sunday, hours after Trump announced the killing of the 86-year-old cleric he described as one of the most evil people in history. Iran's Chief of Army Staff General Abdul Rahim Mousavi and Defense Minister General Aziz Nasirjadeh were also reportedly killed in an airstrike targeting a meeting of the country's Defense Council. Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi, along with the Chief Justice of Iran Gholam Hossein Mohseni Izai, and one of the members of the Guardian Council, a powerful body that ensures smooth coordination of legislation as per the Sharia law and the Iranian constitution, will lead the country as it moves to a phase of transition following the killing of the Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. The Iranian Red Crescent said more than 200 people have been killed and roughly 700 others have been injured. Deputy Chief Minister Lossi Diko has been conferred a doctorate degree by Imphal Theological College and Seminary. The honorary degree was presented by college president Dr. Telen Wilson Com during the graduation ceremony held at Mau Baptist Church. Along with the Deputy Chief Minister, degrees were also awarded to 15 graduates of the college. Speaking on the occasion, Lossi Diko assured that he would continue to fulfill his responsibilities with dedication and work for the welfare of the people.
I would like to request all of you to pray for our government. The newly government, the popular government, just been restored, and I have given the position of Deputy Chief Minister primarily to restore peace in our state. Our state has been going through this problem, and I would like to request all of you to pray for us. We are on the job. Our priority is to bring peace and normalcy in our state. So I would like to request all of you to
MLA of Kontosam AC, Sapam Ranjan term organ donation an act of bravery that saves lives. He made the remark during an event theme celebrating life organized by Mohan Foundation at Clase Grande yesterday to honor families of organ donors. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Ranjan said that several individuals from the state have donated organs, giving a new lease of life to many patients. He appreciated the selfless contribution of donor families and described their decision as a noble and courageous gesture. The MLA also assured continued efforts to strengthen the health sector in the state through discussions with relevant authorities. As part of the program, families of organ donors were felicitated and presented with gifts in recognition of the humanitarian act.
Was the key that thing which I had mentioned at the beginning of my speech, the reason for this high renal diseases. This is something which has become very common, and as Dr. Emmet said, I think for the liver transplant also, it's in the pipeline, and I'm sure the patients here would not need to go out of Manipur to get their treatment done, and since we have all the experts here, whatever renal transplants, and I'm sure in liver transplant, corneal transplant, we have many of them here, and so that our patients do not go out. They are treated here in Manipur because we have expert doctors who are in those specific fields.
Two books titled Mikup Nahum Pungzalon 2026, Mitay Lon Kutpai, and Mikup Nahum Pungzalon 2027, Mitay Lon Kutpai, published by Kenchang Lon Loishang under the Lining Tau Sanamahi Temple Board LSTB, were released today. The release function was held at Lining Tau Sanamahi Sanglen, located at Haying Kongban, Ufong Yumpham, Imphal. The event was attended by LSTV Vice President Vidyapati Sanjam, Waka Lamjingba, Board Member Secretary Maisnam Sivadatta Luwang, Member Kaisam Ibomcha, Namoizam Tomba Mangang, Chandra Siddhanta Awadi Soibam Buddha, and Ken Changlon Sanglakpa Thongbam Premjit, among others. Speaking on the occasion, Maisnam Sivadatta highlighted initiatives undertaken by 10 officers to develop the Lining Tau Sanamahi Temple into an institute. He also noted that the board has successfully organized numerous religious events, including the publication of annual lunar calendar.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯩ ꯈꯣꯡꯕꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯁꯅꯥꯃꯍꯤ ꯁꯪꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯀꯣꯛꯐꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯐꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯔꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯂꯔꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯪ ꯇꯔꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯪꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯀꯣꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯄꯨꯌꯥ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯆꯟꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ लोयना आइकोनी सर्विया की चांसु एवरेज ता याम चांग नाइन सर्विया बा लोइसनग्रबा कोर्स अमा आइकोनी थिंदा बदोदना Past days की कोई ना pension लोन ये तुम लोग certificate course है मैं आंगा कोई बच्चा पांथो को कोई ना कोई ना मतलब मको मतलब तावसी मैं आंगा
A reception program was held today to honor the senior Manipur team that secured a bronze medal at Senior Men's National Langari Championship conducted at Sainagar, Maharashtra. The program was organized by Manipur State Langari Association at District Congress Committee Hall, Thoubal, Athokpam. During the ceremony, gifts and certificates were presented to 12 players along with the coach and manager of the state team in recognition of their achievement at the national level championship. Ningol Club Hairok announces to hold International Women's Day 2026 observance jointly with women organizations of Hairok on March 8 on this year's theme, Give to Gain. In the observance, Ningol Club Hairok will present gifts to around 300 widows between 18 and 50 years of age to show encouragement and support.
Lagliba Mars ki tang nipan asi Give to Gain haiba theme asida malem pumbada pangthoknagadoriba International Women's Day asi Ningol Club pu support tawbiba imalup singa Hairokta pangthokjaragani thoram asiga mari leinana chahi 19 dagina 50 fawada leiba widows ahum lomda hi khudon tamjagani widows sing asina thengnariba pusigi lanpham asibu ekhoina ikai khumnajaba amadi makhoibu pukning sontadanaba Ningol Club na angamba hiram kaya amada mateng pangjabagi tanja adu lawjabaga loinana khudol sitamjabani masida miyam pumbanaso angamba mateng pangbiduna thoram asibu mapung phahanbiyo haina Ningol Club ki maikaidagi haijari.
Now the sports news. The 3-day 5th state-level Wushu Sanda Cup 2026 is currently underway at Ibudao Nongpok Ningthau Apanbi Ground, Trong Laubi in Bisnupur district. The tournament is being organized jointly by Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission Department, Trong Laubi Wushu Academy, Lamzing Meira VLF Trong Laubi Awang, Apunba Pangal VLF Trong Laubi Makha, Anoba Mangal VLF and Kudekpi Terakong Sangbi under the aegis of Bisnupur District Wushu Association. The championship was inaugurated yesterday by former Moirang AC MLA Myrinbam Prithiviraj. Around 300 players from 11 districts across Manipur are participating in the competition in sub-junior, junior and senior categories. The tournament will continue till March 2. The 5th DCA Open Rapid Chess Tournament will be held from March 7 to 8 at D Chess Academy, Tera Sapam Leirak branch. D Chess Academy, Uripo Khuisnam Laikai will organize the tournament under the aegis of Manipur Chess Association. Players who wish to participate in the tournament are informed to contact D Chess Academy, Uripo Khuisnam Laikai or Tera Sapam Leirak branch for further details. ESU Palace Compound and PTRC Patsoy Part 4 emerged victorious in today's league matches of ongoing 10th MNCA W Prahlada and W Ramananda Elite Cricket Trophy organized by Manipur Cricket Association in the 45th league match played at Model Higher Secondary School and Oriental College Ground. ESU Palace Compound secured 6-wicket win of Model Club Chingamakha. PTRC Patsoy Part 4 defeated Rays Kwai Nagamapal by 57 runs in the 46th league encounter at Moising Public Ground, Thoubal. The next 2 matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. In the 13th Manipur Veteran T20 Cricket Tournament, KCC Kongba and KSDO Kiamgai emerged victorious. In the 48th league match of the tournament of Manipur Veteran Cricket Association played today at Langthabal Public Ground, KCC Kongba defeated BSC Team A Brahmapur by 8 wickets. KCC Kongba all-rounder S. Robertson was named man of the match. In the 49th league match, KSDO Kiamgai defeated NCA Nambol by 29 runs. KSDO Kiamgai all-rounder Khalilur Rahman was named man of the match. 23 teams are competing in 4 different groups in the tournament. 2 league matches will be played tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand urges public not to obstruct national highway development works in the name of compensation. Deputy Chief Minister Lossi Diko indicates a strong likelihood of cabinet expansion and allocation of portfolios to cabinet ministers soon. Rajya Sabha MP Sembasana Jauba nominated as member of India Nordic Parliamentary Friendship Group constituted by Parliament of India to strengthen legislative engagement and international cooperation. And Iran Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Chief of Army Staff General Abdul Rahim Mousavi and Defense Minister General Aziz Nasir Jadeh killed in US-Israel strikes. Over 200 people killed, around 700 others injured. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. So have a great Sunday evening and stay safe.
खंगनजबा इसा इसा की कोर्ट केसेस अमदी आइनगा मरी लेनबा हिरम सिंह लोइसिनबिबा यारे नेशनल लॉ अदालत हाइबदी मियाम की रॉयल संघ मसीदा नाकल अनिमक की मियोय